Today class we are going to discuss about the IP ocean address types. Okay, there are three types. Major types is three types. Okay, and other substantial types are available. Okay, we have to discuss later videos and all. Okay, first of all, unicast address. What do you mean by unicast address? Okay, unicast address means it is a public address. Public address. It is a one-to-one IP address, one-to-one IP ocean address. Okay, we have to discuss with the lab also. Earlier we have a IP ocean 4 addresses. Okay, what we call, so it will start to 1 to 127 and class B address, class C address. So here there is no classification. Normally it will starts 2000 like that. Further sessions we have to talk about the unicast address. Simply we call it a one-to-one interfaces. It is a single interface, one-to-one interface. What about anycast address? It is a one single interface to group of nodes. Say for example, I am going to ping www.yahoo.com. Okay, it will search in the India server. If it is not available, it will go for US or UK, whatever it is. Okay, that is a group of server. Yeah, here you have to see the feature. Okay, 2001 colon DB8 colon ABCD colon 1 double colon and this one is 1. The same address for the server A, server B and server C both. Okay, but one communication will happen this from this address. So it will respond 3 server whichever the cost is less. Okay, if it is server A is cost is less, okay, it will go for the server. Okay, server A is not available, go to the second server. It is not available, go for the server C. This is a load balancing. Okay, here we have to go for the multicast address. Normally we human don't use the multicast address. Okay, normally it will used by the routers. For what purpose? Okay, routers will communicate each other, get the routes. Different type of dynamic protocols is available like RIP, OSPF, EHRPA. So these are the routing protocols is available. It will share the information, route updates. Okay, if you are creating any new router, that router route will be updated to the other routers. Okay, this is the routing updates, maintaining the route. Here already we have seen a first first one is unicast address. Okay, there are 3 types. Okay, that's the first one is a global unicast address. Okay, normally we call it in IP version 4. It is called as a public address. It is a routable. It is routable means it will across the internet platform. Okay, this is a bit version. Okay, what it refers to the /3. /3 means what it refers to in the bit value. Normally hexadecimal values, every part of number is called 4 bits. Here this is a 16 bits. Okay, we can take by /3 means it is a 3 bits available. Okay, this is a 4 16. Okay, overall 16. We will take this one only. Okay, this one only, 2 only. Okay, so what will be the 8421? Okay, that's it is starts from 3. Okay, 8 no, 4 also no, and 3 starts. Okay, this address starts from 2, ends with go for up to 3. Last option will be the 3. This quadrate is available last 2 bits. Okay, so it will go for the 3. So what will be the exact 2000 starts with 2000, ends with 3FF. This is the multicast, the last address. Okay, the last mask address. Okay, it is equivalent to public IP4 address. Okay, what about the unique local address? Okay, unique local address, it starts normally FC or FD. This is /7, the same thing, bits value. Okay, this is the bits value, this is for the FD value. Here some diagram is available. This is called the prefix. Okay, to start from FC like that. Low bit is refers low bit. Normally it will be a lower value. It goes for if it is connected with the local except the internet. It is a local connectivity. The bits will be getting 1 value. Okay, this is a global the global ID. Either you can mix 40 bits. You can mix it numerical alphanumerical values. Otherwise, it will take automatically the values. Okay, so another 16 bit. This is totally 48 bits. This another 16 bits we called a subnet. Okay, we can create a subnet. This is a prefix, this is a subnet, and this one is a interface ID. Okay, normally we call it is equivalent to IP version 4 IP address, okay, private IP address, okay, 10 series 172.16, this is a 192.16, this is not routable, this is not, it is not cross the internet, okay, but what will be useful, okay, you can use for the local LAN purpose, okay, it is a free address, okay, don't pay for that. This one is the link local address. What is the use of the link local address? Normally, if you are giving the IP version, you have to make, without giving any IP address, you just enable the port, enable IPS, enable like that. Okay, you have to make it mean what will happen? Automatic private address. First, it will create automatic private IP address. Okay, it is also available in the IP version 4 also. Okay, it is equivalent to IP version IPA, automatic private IP addressing. Okay, it is not routable. It connects only direct host to host or the router to host. Okay, what about the special address? Okay, we have to always compare with the IP version 4 because it is a earlier version. Okay, this is the colon what it refers to. This is the 0000. Okay, there is no address. It is before assigning any address to the host, this host will be like this. Okay, 00 like this. This is here the colon B. Okay, it is a prior to initializing IP version address to the host. Okay, before beginning the initializing the host, so it will be like this. Okay, what about this? This is a colon 1. Okay, it is equivalent to 127.0.0. It is a loopback address. It will check the interface, whether the interface is okay or not. It will confirm it. So further address, translation address, and dual stacking. So lot of things is available. It is a IP version 6 is a broader aspect. We have to discuss different video. Now we are going to small lab how to fix the IP address to the router or host like that. Okay, we have to use the packet tracer. Okay, here this one is a small lab, very small lab. Okay, just for I have to make it enable this one, configure. Okay, what I do? Okay, CLI commands. Okay, first of all, what I have to do? Exit. Okay, this is the interface fast Ethernet 0/. Okay, this is the interface. IPv6 address. IPv6 address 2001. I have to give, this is a 48-bit address. Okay, I have to give the 48-bit. For our example purpose, we have to discuss all the things. Okay, colon / 64-bit address, it is called interface address. I give the interface. Okay, interface. I am manually configuring this address. No shut? Yes. Okay, and one more interface is available here. You have to see here, this one, this picture, this interface. What is this? This interface, this one interface, fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, good. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, no shut. I give the command. Okay, because normally it is a shutdown mode. Okay, it is enable IP version 6. What I am going to? Private IP address. Okay, I am going to give the private IP address 00 1/1/1 /64. Okay, this is wrong. I have missed something. Okay, go. Okay, no shut already there. Good. Okay, this is the interface. It is enabled because we have partially enabled this one. So before that, I have to know, because I go for the cut, copy, paste like that. Okay, I copy this one. Copy this one. Say like command. Make it big. No interface. Enable config term, host term. R2. Okay, interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, I am going to make paste here. Okay, I have to change, small change /2, because what it refers 2001:1.1. This is the 48-bit. This one is a okay, 48-bit. This one is a subnet is 1 and the address is a 2/64. Okay, it includes the 64-bit address. Okay, no shut. Yes, it is up. I have to go for next one. So here also I have to make same thing, copy paste. Why? Yeah, here also I am going to make small change. I have to do small change, not big. Okay, interface fast Ethernet 0/1. I have to make it paste. I have to do lot of changes here. Yeah, 2/2/2. Yeah, this is the address I am going to give a. This is the address. This is the address I am going to give one. This one is 2/2/2. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Incomplete. What will happen? IP address FC0/2/2/2/1/64. Yeah, no shut. And yeah, both interface entered. Okay, here I have to mention this one. Yeah, this one I have to mention here. And what about, so I have to copy one more time. In show IP6 interface brief. Okay, I take this address. Okay, sorry, something, it's not good, it's not right. Okay, I'm going here. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1. No IP6 address. Okay, IP6 address FC 00/1/1/1/1/64. No shut. Yeah. Host name R1. Yeah. Show IP6 entry brief. Yeah, this is the address, exact address for the gateway, default gateway address. I am going to store here. This is a PC. Yeah, fast Ethernet. Lot of things we have to discuss for the videos. First of all, we have to see how to implement this address. That is a say. Yeah, this is the default gateway. I am going to this interface address. Fast 10. This one is a 64. Okay, good. Okay, go here, command prompt, ipconfig, IPv6 config. Yes, this is the address. This is the default gateway. I am going to this address. I am going to cross check this address. Okay, go to ping, paste. Yes, yeah, it is pinging. The same thing will also happen here also. So you show IPv6 in brief. Yes. So this address I am going to take. I am going to ping. Okay, just confirm. Ping. Yeah, this is the one of the thing. Okay, and one more thing we can make it assign. This is a manual assigned. We have assigned the address is manually. One more thing we have to apply here. Okay, here this lab itself. Okay, first this lab we should know how to implement the IP address. Okay, that is the task for the new beginners. Address. Okay. IPv6 address. This one is address. Colon paste. Yeah. colon slash 60-bit base. I have to fix this command EUI, extended unique identifier. Okay, IPv6 identifier. What will happen? We have to watch. No shut. Yeah. Here also I am going to do the same thing. Config terminal interface fast Ethernet 0. No IPv6 address. Yes. Okay, I am to IPv6 address. Paste colon slash 64-bit interface ID. I have to extend the unique identifier. No shut and show IPv6 interface brief. Yes. Okay. So, some section has changed. Okay. First of all, we have to discuss this output. Okay. Here, what will happen? Okay, here you have to see this is the fast Ethernet. It is a directly connected router to router. This is the address we have assigned. Okay, this is the address we have prefix we have assigned. Okay, 2001 colon 1 dot 1 colon dot 1 colon, and this one is a subnet ID. Balance will be EUI. What is the MAC address of the interface? MAC address, normally MAC address will be a 48-bit address, but so for 64-bit is required. So that's why we have to start from the 7th bit. Earlier we talked about the earlier videos. Okay, 7th bit will be here. Okay, this is up to 58. This is the 7th bit. FF colon FE. This is added in the MAC address. Normally MAC address is a 48-bit. It is added plus 16-bit is called 64-bit address. Okay, here we have to ping and check it. This simple demonstration how to enable the IP address we have to know. Okay, I am going to ping here. Give the options. Yeah, it is pinging. It is pinging, and it is 100%. It is working good. Okay, next video we have to see about the routing, how to do the static route, default route, and you have to use the dynamic protocols. Okay, these are the things will be done by future. Okay, thank you.